Nepali, ah, you from Nepali?
Because we don't like the cats at all. We give food in the streets. We have only dog.
English people have cats in the house like that.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
You can see if you want to see, you can. Huh?
No, it's okay. I'm going to Nepal soon.
Here it's cheaper. No.
Here is cheaper.
आज हामी सुसको यो लोकल मार्केट मडिना भन्दो रहेछ। यो चाहिँ पुरानो सिटी। पहिला चाहिँ यहाँ मान्छेहरू बस्थे रे। अहिले चाहिँ मान्छेहरू चाहिँ सबै हटेर यहाँ चाहिँ पसलहरू अरूहरू राखेको छ। हामी चाहिँ यहाँको लोकल गाइड लिएर आज घुम्न आएको छौँ। यहाँ देख्न सकिन्छ यस्तोहरू सबै स्टलहरू राखेको छ। उसले चाहिँ यो फिस मार्केट भन्थ्यो। अहिले चाहिँ हामी फिस मार्केटभित्र छिर्दैछौँ। यस्तो केकहरू राखेको रहेछ, पकाएर बेच्दो रहेछ। पुरा मार्केट छ। र उहाँ देखेको चाहिँ त्यो चाहिँ त्यहाँको पोर्ट रहेछ। त्यहाँबाट फिसहरू लिएर आउँदो रहेछ। पुरा फिस रहेछ।
Salah, how are you?
Yeah, good.
You see here, man. This is beautiful. Many people buy same like this. A packet is not very good. Here you smell people. Customer.
This one is Tunisian. It smells for couscous tagine. Smell that one.
Yeah.
The best one. And here the saffron. Saffron is very expensive, especially on money. We have a powder saffron rice, pineapple. Nepali, ah, you from Nepali?
Turkish egg. So now we go to. I show you. We have many shoes handmade.
Handmade shoes, okay.
I show if you want to see carpet factory. I show you leather factory. You see how make the jackets like this. You can make a picture. If you want to see nice, because the factory is priced down. If you want to see it's nice jacket, same. Mama Salah. You want same like Tunisia, huh?
He said you same color like Tunisian people. Why don't you understand?
Brown.
You see many tourists come here because here is the factory, you see? السلام عليكم. كيف حالك يا أخ العرب والمسلمين؟ السلام عليكم.
Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
Fine.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hello, lovely. Bye bye. Lovely smile. The cow is very hard.
कहाँ हो यहाँ?
This is the lamb the best. Anyway, we want to discuss company or whatever. Right? You are welcome. Maybe you find something. See, you have a nice game, nice handbags, nice things. Here is no hassle.
So this one is the big mosque in the Sousse.
Sousse. We went to Sousse. We went to the center of Sousse.
Center of the Sousse. Okay. So this is the center of the Sousse, and we are in front of the big mosque.
Big mosque is about 1,200 years.
Okay. 1,200 years. Okay.
We go first this way. We can make a picture. We have it there. I show you everything. Here you see here Roman palace.
That's a palace.
It's Paras, Romani.
Romanian palace. Okay. So that's the Romanian palace.
وين جيتك يا بكري مسكر؟ French is the one since 200 years ago.
So it was Romanian?
Romanian, no, Carthaginian, Romanian.
No, everywhere. Like it's a Roman Empire. Roman Empire everywhere.
Romanian is Egypt, Tunisia, Morocco. Romanian is
And then had French colonial.
French after 1881. For Medina, Sousse.
So
This is
this is the
the center.
center. Okay.
Yeah. So here nothing. If you want to go this way, it's here very busy. This way.
Oh,
Many
okay.
shops. Here just ceramic. If you want, this is handmade. Another shop is for children. You can see if you want to see. You can.
No, it's okay. I'm going to Nepal soon.
Here it's cheaper. No.
Where is cheaper?
This one.
This sand rose for the Sahara. This is rose for the Sahara.
Oh, okay. It's a stone.
Is it stone?
Yeah, you see it tomorrow when you go. This is for the Sahara. This hotel in Sousse.
The first hotel in the Sousse, Hotel Medina.
One star. Come on, have a look.
Oh, 1 star. Okay. So this is the first hotel in the Sousse, and it's like a 1-star hotel.
Only 1 star.
Oh, yeah.
It's a 1-star hotel.
Traditionnel. My friend, when you want to see shop, you tell me before because we have many shops.
What is this? What is this? Flower. You eat?
We will make water, same like
Water.
this is we make same like wine. Make one bottle.
Very nice smell. Oh God.
This for original TV. Like something same there, it's not same decoration. Flower jasmine. You know flower jasmine? It is same that one. It is same with flower. Here or original television. Look your hand, please your hand here. And look. On other close. Let's check. Yes. It's not same decoration. You want to see? Nice from Tunisian. Like same there. Look. And not expensive, okay?
It's okay.
So this is the first mosque in Sousse, and after 10 years that big mosque was built. Oh, it was built in 770. अनि यहाँ रमादान भएको भएर यहाँ एकदमै बिजी छ र मार्केट यहाँको मदिनाको मार्केट यो यहाँ चाहिँ सब थ्याङ्क यू
Take care for her, bro. Hey, here you can see the Medina of the mosque and everything is full.
Yeah, we have already done it. Thank you. र अब आज हाम्रो मदिनाको टुर पनि आइसक्यो हाम्रो गाडी पनि आइसकेको छ अब हामी गाडीमा जाँदैछौँ आजको लागि यति नै यो मदिना टुर